Good night, teacher Rinaldo. My name is Vivian Lizeth. I am 33 years old. I live in the city of Cali. I am nursing assistant at the work new EPS. I live with my husband, my children, my grandmother, my cats. The topic I will deal with is tell about activities you used to do when you were a child. When I was a girl, I liked to go to the pool with my parents. I liked to ride my little bike in the company of my friends. I liked traveling on vacation to my grandparents' farm with my mom. It was fantastic. I liked to read aloud and do all my tasks, because if I behaved myself, they gave me an ice cream. On the other hand, I've always loved cats, and as a child I had a lot of fun playing with them. My childhood was very nice, thanks to my grandparents and my parents. Thank you.